Here's what I hear almost every single day. Allyson, I want to be the person in my company who actually knows how to use AI. I want to teach it. I want to coach it. I refuse to get left behind. If that's you, even a little, keep watching because I'm about to tell you exactly what's inside the 7-minute AI certified training program and why I built it for people just like you. This is a 14-week class. It's going to give you a clear, proven system to use AI confidently, even if it's just you that wants to stay ahead of the crowd. You can do that. But it's also going to give you the ability to teach it to your team, your clients, or your organization. The class starts on Friday, June 12th, and runs 14 weeks, ending September 4th. There will be 7 live 2-hour sessions in person every other Friday. We're going to look at multiple tools, but we'll go in depth on 5 different tools that you'll see in a minute. We're also going to talk about a 4-level framework for taking people to the very next level. It is a fully certified program. You'll have a certification from 7-minute AI to teach. You'll have access to slides, to training materials, to the things that I watch and learn. So we want to help you do that. And you'll have access to the recordings for a full year. This certification was built for you if you're one of these people. If you lead a team, you know some CEOs are asking about AI strategy, and your team definitely needs direction. You want to be the person with a plan, not just the person still figuring it out. The class is also for you if you're a coach or consultant and your clients are asking about AI. I do a lot of coaching for businesses, for financial advisors, on time management, on how to get more done. But now almost everyone we coach has that deep desire to learn how to use AI. So if you're a coach or consultant and you see an opportunity, but you need a system and the materials to teach with confidence, then this class is for you. There are also people coming from different departments and companies who want to be that champion. So if that's you, you can see how AI could help your team. And maybe your boss wants to see the proof. They want to see a structured program with measurable results that you can present to teach your team. Or maybe it's just you and you refuse to get left behind. You've built a career on being competent. AI feels like that ground shifting place. You want a patient, practical approach from someone who meets you exactly where you are. So these are 4 of the types of people that are going to be in the class. What makes this different is that we're not just going to be talking about ChatGPT. We're going to talk about major tools like ChatGPT, Claude, Perplexity, Gemini, GenSpark, and several others. I'm going to give you the prompting guides, the checklists, the templates, the tools, the automations, all of these things so that you can really jumpstart your learning. Now, if you're really going to take the time to become a certified trainer, the sky is the limit. You know, every company, every person is going to need someone who knows AI. And I believe that the people who are signing up for this class, just like you, are going to be that key go-to person. When you go through this certification program, it's going to be everything you need to use AI yourself and then begin to learn to teach it to others from day one. To become certified, you're going to be required to teach other people in your class. You'll also be required to create and teach an end presentation to me and possibly to some of our other team members. So this is twofold. It's how to learn to use AI for yourself, but also how you can get started teaching AI, even if you're not a teacher. I want to set the stage of what's going to be included in your training. There are 7 live in-person sessions every other Friday, starting June 12th. In between those classes, there are self-paced lessons that include video lessons, YouTube videos, exercises, and assignments to help you gain confidence in using each of these tools. You're going to have hands-on training. You're going to watch me go through these each week. And in some of the self-paced lessons, you're going to have access to my own prompt libraries and templates. We're going to give you some done-for-you prompt collections. You're also going to have some done-for-you assets that I'm just going to hand to you. How can you optimize your LinkedIn profile? Done for you. How can you create your own AI headshot? Done for you. How can you audit your website? How can you create your content calendar? These are all specific prompts and tools that we're going to hand to you so you can do those automatically. We're going to have a section on AI, safety, and policy and give you a toolkit to begin to explore that. You're going to have a whole year of access to the recordings. It is a community and peer cohort. The people in this class, some are very new, some have been doing this a long time. We're going to be learning from each other, and you'll also leave with a 7-minute AI certification. So here's what's coming. On June 12th, we cover AI foundations and your first system. We're going to help you build a personal AI toolkit with Claude, ChatGPT, Gemini, all of these platforms that can help you get started. On June 26th, we're going to move from single shot prompting to advanced prompting. It's going to help you save, 5 to 10 hours a week. We're also going to give some bonus things where you can update your LinkedIn profile, and you'll have access to a full suite of prompt libraries. On July 10th, we're going to talk about how to do that deep research and deep work, how to focus on competitive analysis, how to audit your own website. And we're going to be adding in Claude skills. On July 24th, we're going to talk about marketing, content creation, communication, and email. How can you get your content calendar set up correctly? How can you work on social media templates? How can you use image generation? On August 7th, we continue up the ladder of learning, and we're focusing on workflows and automations. We're going to be giving you 3 automated workflows, and we'll show you how to calculate return on investment and return on your time. On August 21st, we're going into a specific section on AI safety and policy. When you're teaching others, what do they need to understand about the risks and the security that go around AI? On September 4th, we're going to finalize with the future of AI and how to use AI agents. By then, you will have already made your final presentations, and we'll be presenting you with your certification. So this is what's coming. This is what you'll learn over 14 weeks, along with office hours on our off weeks, where you can come and ask your questions and get more insight from the entire team that's in your cohort. Now, the final piece, because some of you are watching this before you've made a decision. You've seen everything we've talked about, and I know that university classes can be $2,500 to $3,500, and some self-paced classes you can take for $49. But this is a live certified train the trainer system with done-for-you materials and proven results. So what does it cost? The normal price of the class is $2,997, but right now we're running this cohort with $1,000 in savings. So right now you can get this entire course for $1,997. Everything is included, and you're going to have immediate access. Or if it's simpler for you, we offer a 4-payment option, so you can spread the cost. I am so excited about this. It starts on June 12th. You know, your team and you are waiting to learn more about AI, and I believe that is you. Those of you who have registered for the class, I am so excited. Those of you who will be joining us, just click the enroll button down below, and we'll get everyone started.